Okay, we are going to take a DocuSign, upload it to, excuse me. You're going to take a DocuSign. We are going to do some quick formatting and updating. We are going to look for a folder, and then we're going to upload the folder or create the folder, and then create a note in AgencyZoom with a link to the file. So how that's going to work is basically you're going to look for a contact envelope status updated. On the configuration, you're going to select completed. You're going to grab, if you want to grab the certificate of completion and upload it, you can, but this is just for the contract data. So you are going to select form data, download form data. You will want to go into your admin settings and allow sender to download form data for this to work correctly. You're going to grab that information. You're going to format the date. How that's going to work is you're going to take the completed date and you're going to use this, and you're going to have to type this in manually. It's not a pre ready to go format. It's MMMM space. I think there's a space in here. Yes, there is. Y, and that will output November 2024. You'll see why in a minute. Then you're going to use the formatter. You're going to go setup, configure. You're going to grab recipient signature email separator, and then it's going to output your folder, or output your emails. Next, you're going to go to find a folder. You're going to go to configure, and you're going to look for that output name from up above. I'm using call recordings because that was the same setup I built for this. But what that's going to do is create a folder system. You can either pre-fill or you can just make it as you go. That way, I like this way because it's just done. That way it's created as you don't have to remember to go and create the folders. When next year comes around, this will just keep working. And it'll have, you'll have a quick index of the files. You can go, okay, we signed in November. Let's find that contract in November of 2024. Even though we're going to link to it in AgencyZoom in a minute. So you're going to upload file, you're just going to grab the folder. The folders, we found the folder on success. Upload the file, give it a name, file extension PDF. Look for, I gave for the title, signed contract, and the date or output date. Look for the lead contact's email. This is not you use the first one, not the second one. That's, how your contracts are sent. So you're going to look for that person's email address. That's what the whole point of that utilities function is. And then the note linking to the file in the folder. On the other side, if that folder doesn't exist, we're going to create that folder, your main drive, your parent folder, and then the file name. And then same thing as the other. You're going to upload the file name, PDF extension, sign contract, output name, look for the contact's email, and create a note. And that is how you add, because this is the best way. Plus, that way it's all saved in a folder in your company Google Drive, not a file that's buried in your AMS or your CRM. But that's it. If you have any questions, let me know. Glad to help any way I can, and have a great night.